Hello, students, and welcome in our grammar session. In our previous video, we learned about what is noun, and in kinds of nouns, we already learned a common noun and proper noun. Now, today, we will continue with collective nouns. What is collective nouns? The name used for a group of things, that is collective noun, and also the name used for a group of animals like squirrels or elephants, that is also collective noun. And when we use noun for a group of or bunch of things, then also it is collective noun. For example, if there is a group of owls, we can say that it is a parliament of owls. A group of kangaroos, here we can say a mob of kangaroos. A pandemonium of parrots. And when a group of fish, we can say that a shoal of fish. That means it is stand for a group of fish. So it is a collective noun, a shoal. A flock of birds, a pride of lions, a gaggle of geese, a clump of trees. एक से ज्यादा अगर बहुत सारे ट्रीज हो तो उनको हम a clump of trees कहेंगे. A noun stand for a group of trees. A bouquet of flowers, a band of musicians. If there is a one person, then we can say a musician. But a group of musicians, a noun stand for the group of musicians is a band, that is collective noun. A bunch of keys, crew of sailors, a range of mountains, an army of soldiers. अगर वहां पर एक है तो हम उसे सोल्जर कहेंगे, पर बहुत सारे अगर है तो हम उसे आर्मी कहेंगे. कलेक्टिव नाउन में अगर बहुत सारे sheep, that means a flock of sheep. Here, name what you see in each picture below. Here we have group or collection, and what is each group and collection called? Here we have flowers, so we can say that a bouquet of flowers. Here, album of photographs, and here we have a complete team, more than one, so we can say that a team of players, bunch of keys. So in short, a collective noun refers to a set of or a group of persons, animals, or things. Here, collective nouns for people. A company or a troupe of actors, army of soldiers, team of players, crew of sailors, gang of prisoner, class of pupils, patrol of policemen, band of musicians, a jar of singers, host of angels, a circle of friends, a troop of dancers, a pack of thieves, a crowd of people. Here, learn these collective nouns, and here you have pictures. So identify each picture and write the collective noun for it. अगर बहुत सारे players है तो हम उसे टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स कहेंगे. बहुत सारे अगर पूरा ग्रुप है म्यूजिशियन का तो बैंड ऑफ म्यूजिशियन. बहुत सारे पीपल अगर कहीं पर इकट्ठा होते हैं तो हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? यहां से आप ढूंढ सकते हो उसका आंसर, अ क्राउड ऑफ पीपल. देन हियर which is the perfect for it. Observe this picture and try to find the answer from this. A choir of singers. Here बहुत सारे पॉलिसमैन एक साथ हैं, तो हम उसके लिए कौन सा कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज करेंगे? Here a patrol of policemen. Next one is army. यहाँ पर डांसर्स हैं एक साथ, तो उसके लिए find out a troop of dancers, and if there is a group of students, then a class of pupils or students. So try to solve this and write answers in your CW. You can, if you want, then otherwise you can use your rough book. Next, सेम वे पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करो और उसके लिए कौन सा सही कलेक्टिव नाउन है ये आप यहां से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. अ कॉलोनी ऑफ एंड्स, litter of puppies, school of whales, flock of birds, brood of chickens, troop of monkeys, a parliament of owls, pack of dogs, a gaggle of geese, a flock of goats, a drove of horses, a swarm of bees, a pack of wolves, herd of elephants. So now you can observe the picture and then write the correct answer. Pick out the correct answer from the list. Here we have a colony of ants, pride of lions, herd of elephant, and which noun stand for this? Here, a litter of puppies. And we have a group of horses, so a drove of horses. Now goats. Here, which noun stand for this? Here, fish, a shoal of fish. And which noun stand for this? Find out the answer and then write in your CW. Here, collective nouns for creatures. इसमें से आपको आंसर पिक करने हैं. Next, collective nouns for things. Here you have a list of collective nouns which stand for things. So observe this picture and pick out the answer for it from the list of collective nouns for things. For example, here first picture is, here we have mountains. So we can say that a range of mountains. Here, for this picture, which noun is correct? Here, pick out the right answer, a flight of aeroplanes. Here we have bottles. So, which is the correct one? A carrot of bottles. Here we have apples. So, a group of apples. Now, observe these four pictures and try to find out the answer, which is the correct answer from this list. Collective nouns for things. So try to by yourself. Now, today we will start collective noun from our textbook also. When a noun stands for a collection of person or things, consider as a complete whole, it is called a collective noun. जब भी कोई noun पूरे ग्रुप के लिए चाहे वो पर्सन हो या थिंग हो या फिर एनिमल्स हो, जो भी नाउन उन ग्रुप के लिए हम रखते हैं, सजेस्ट करते हैं, दैट इज अवर कलेक्टिव नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर इन दिस बॉक्स, आर्मी, क्राउड, फ्लॉक, क्लास. सो the word army stand for a collection of soldiers. So here army is our collective noun. Second one, the word crowd stand for a collection of people. Here crowd is collective noun. The word flock stand for a collection of sheep. Here flock of sheep, we can say that. The word class stand for a collection of pupils. Here class is a collective noun for the group of pupils. Now exercise 6. Each of the phrases below contain a collective noun. Complete each phrase by putting in the missing word. Here we have to choose a correct noun for the collective nouns. When we say a packet of biscuits, a bunch of, pick out the correct noun for this, a bunch of bananas. Generally, this type of collective nouns when format is a collective noun, then we use of and then plural nouns like a bunch of bananas, a herd of cattle, a flock of sheep, a fleet of ships, a bouquet of flowers, a band of musicians, a regiment of soldiers, a bundle of sticks, a heap of stones. So you have to copy down this exercise in your CW and textbook also. Now exercise 7, fill the blanks with suitable collective nouns. And here we have one helping box. With the help of this box, fill the answers. Our teacher has a whole library of books. बहुत सारी books हो तो उसके लिए हम library use करते हैं. A pack of wolves attacked the travelers. Here, pack of wolves. The army of soldiers marched into battle. A group of soldiers, we use army. A swarm of bees flew out of a hive. For a group of bees, we use swarm. The police were trying to control the mob. The fishermen show a big shoal of fish. A gang of thieves entered the village at night. Here, the group of thieves we use gang. The ship had a crew of 100 sailors. Sailor, जब उसका कोई ग्रुप हो तो हम उसके लिए crew use करते हैं. Here, he had a white wardrobe of clothes. जब बहुत सारे क्लॉथ्स हम जिसमें रखते हैं उसके लिए हम wardrobe यूज करते हैं. Here, a committee. Here we have to fill the answer committee. आप देख सकते हो उसका सही आंसर यहाँ पर है. A committee of 5 was appointed. यहाँ पर मिसप्रिंट जो हुई है उसके लिए आप यहाँ पर से सही आंसर बॉक्स में से पिक कर सकते हो. Committee of 5 was appointed. So now copy down this exercise in your CW and in your textbook also. So here end our session. Goodbye everyone and take care.